As companies are starting to come back to the office partially, leaders and facilitators alike must figure out how to run effective workshops in the new hybrid environment. And the necessary adjustment will be even bigger than the one we had to make at the start of the pandemic when we switched overnight from in-person to fully remote. So, how can we facilitate roll up your sleeves kind of workshops where both Zoomers and Roomers all feel fully engaged, collaborate well together, and in the case of the Roomers, adhere to the socially distanced guidelines set by the organization. A few days ago, I ran such an hybrid session with an executive team, a C-suite. So, to kick off season 3 of the Nimble Vlog, I thought I should share with you the top 3 tips I extracted from the experience. We've been guiding this client on a strategic transformation for about a year, and before the workshop, the executive team hadn't been in the same room for more than 18 months, and some of them, because they joined the organization midway through the pandemic, had never actually met face-to-face with their colleagues. The idea was to have what I call a team building while getting work done workshop, which in my mind is the best way to do team building. So there was team building, but it was mostly integrated with important work to be done, which was to decide how the leadership team is going to continue leading through the rest of the transformation and its culture shift. Also, because the organization is not yet back to the office, this workshop gave the C-suite an opportunity to lead the way about the new hybrid environment. At the start of the pandemic, when we went from in-person to fully remote, it became clear that we had to increase prep time in order to ensure a successful session. Remember that? Well, with hybrid, you need to increase even more the prep time compared to remote. So I had to put way more thoughts into the actual design of the workshop with this executive team. We had 14 people in the room, the Roomers, and just 2 people joining us remotely, the Zoomers, which was simplifying some aspects, but complicating others. The client didn't have any smart boards in any of their meeting rooms, which is too bad because he will have simplified things. For example, we would have used a mural board for everybody. So an associate of mine suggested that the Roomers bring to the session their laptop and still use a mural board. But I thought about it and I said, hold on, what is the point of having the folks gather in person if it's to continue working the same way we've been working since the start of the pandemic, which is through a screen. So I didn't want that. Instead, I wanted to use post-it notes with hybrid subgroups working on dedicated section of the wall, with the Zoomers fully embedded with their subgroups, collaborating with the Roomers. So as I started working on the details of my facilitation roadmap, 2 things became clear. First, I had to script my facilitation moves with significantly more details compared to a fully in-person or fully remote workshop. Second, I had lots of questions for the client personnel in charge of AV, facilities, and health and safety. So we held a creative problem-solving session with these folks to figure out logistics, AV, room setup, etc. Dedicating all this time up front, both on the design and the logistics, was like making a wise investment. On the day of the workshop, we got a big return on it. I was very lucky that the AV person that the company assigned to help me was fantastic. During the logistics meeting, he came across as creative, collaborative, and agile, which was exactly what we needed. For example, he brought his smartphone with him on a tripod, and this was key for the Zoomers. Whenever we needed them to focus on a specific part of the room where the action was, the AV specialist was turning off the overall sound system. He was swiftly moving where the action was and broadcasting from his smartphone to the Zoomers. By doing that, the Zoomers didn't have distractions and they felt as if they were in the room with us.